We all spend every waking minute using Instagram. But did you know this? Instagram was founded by Kevin Systrom and Mike Krieger, who developed the app using the full stack approach. The front end was built with Objective-C for iOS, while the back end used Python and Django. As the app scaled, they switched from PostgreSQL to Cassandra to manage the growing data demand. The front end ensures smooth user experiences like fast photo uploads, while the back end handles millions of requests. This full stack development approach was key to Instagram's rapid growth and success. When Instagram was first developed, it started as a simple photo sharing app. But the story of its creation is an excellent example of how the full stack development helped build a successful product from scratch. Choosing to become a full stack developer is always a smart decision. Join us at VELS University, powered by MH Cognition, where you will get an assured internship in your final semester in an advanced technical environment. And that's not it. Perform your best and you could secure placements both domestically and internationally with us.